Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're facing the frustrating problems when your TCL Smart TV has sound but not display. If your TV is playing audio but the screen stays black, I'll guide you through the basic steps to get your picture back. First, try a simple restart. Unplugging your TV from the power outlet, wait about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. That can clear temporary glitch causing the black screen. If that doesn't work, check your input source. Press the input source button on your remote and cycle through the options to make sure you are on the right one. Next, inspect your HDMI cables or other connections. Loose or damaged cables can cause video issues even when the audio works. Try unplugging and reconnecting them, or swap for a different cable if you have also one. If you're using an external device like cable box or game console, try restarting that device as well. Also, test your TV with a different input device to isolate the problem. Finally, if the screen stays blackout but you hear the sound, your TV's backlight or display panel might have a hardware issue. In that case, contacting TCL support or technician is the best move. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to fix no display issue on your TCL Smart TV, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.